play ba isin tu penslia yang na umensim maku jong mi kat ba ngadang Pule ya ka ktien ka jong mi ai ba nganyo ngo ya ka sur jong mi ka bapasyo ha ka mensim jong ai yang ka jingstan jingshampang ban ngo thu ya ka khubor ba mi ai yang ai ba ka ktien ka jong mi kan long ka jingmen ya ka donu jong bat long ka sharak ya ki kijat jong ai yang ka bor bante ya ka jing im jong halor ka ktien jong mi tu ai ba ki e ba ro kin long hanga kat kum ka ktien jong mi pen kemen yang haba ngayos ngo ya ka ktien jong mi bat ngandri kendong ya ka grand kutrai nga ka shakri jong mi ngasngam
Kajing Pule na ka gospel kat kum Lukas ka lenong ka ba arhuway ka dukat ka basan hadu kat kendai Syapang kajing penjat ya ka Jerusalem ki Jingjynjar bat ki jingbanbein kat tu kan Jingmut naki kilaya keren syapang ka temple balak pen internet daki mau bakensai bat ki jing ai ngau ba balak terwa ho ublei uji su ula ong kat ni piyoi hinrei kasngi kan poi haba un sa wan uwei umau halol uwei pat un sa pentua ya baro ko no hikai kila keli lanu kan ni kan urlo bat kan don kadak ka shim ayu haba kan sedang banja uji su ula ong tu sumar whatsap penbiet na ba pun ki brio kan wan ha ka kyrteng jonga da ka ba ong na dei uta bat kaya kalak poi Hei wat buat iki wat jatin haba pi osngo syapang ki thma bat ki jingkhiwen kum kini ki ki dei banja shua nrei kam mut baka jingkut kalajan nang ta ula pun buat ka wei kari ka nyale ya ka wei pat kari ka wei ka hima ka nyale ya ka wei pat ka hima undon ki jumai ki bashirkai ki imsngi bat ki klam keleng saudong undon ki ki basngu teriye bat ki dak ba itieng hasun beneng shua banja kini ki ken kem ye phi bat kin le ben le kho ye phi da ka ba it haki sinakok bat ki patok da ka ba patom shigis ie bat ki lat namar kyrteng jonga ya kani ka kyrteng penyo kabu penyeng sakhi menta tukut jingmut ban kuslai lupa kumno penyada ya ladia na ba ngan sa ai happy ki ktien bat ka jing start ki bagi nong shun jong phi kin la ban ai reng de ben penyap nia ya phi un sa it da lagi mi gi pa da ki himmen para ki kor ki jaj bat ki lok ki jo jong phi bat kin penyap kat tu kan ningut na phi baro akan isi ya phi namar jonga henry wat uwe unu kli jong phi un do tu sha da kum ni pen im ya ladia Pakumpor babha utra
Some of his disciples were remarking about how the temple was adorned with beautiful stones and with gifts dedicated to God. But Jesus said, "As for what you see here, the time will come when not one stone will be left on another. Every one of them will be thrown down." "Teacher," they asked, "when will these things happen? And what will be the sign that they're about to take place?" He replied, "Watch out that you are not deceived. For many will come in my name, claiming, I am he, and the time is near. Do not follow them. When you hear of wars and uprisings, do not be frightened. These things must happen first, but the end will not come right away. Then he said to them, "Nation will rise against nation, and kingdom against kingdom. There will be great earthquakes, famines and pestilences in various places, and fearful events and great signs from heaven. But before all this, they will seize you and persecute you. They will hand you over to synagogues and put you in prison. And you will be brought before kings and governors, and all on account of my name. And so you will bear testimony to me. But make up your mind not to worry beforehand how you will defend yourselves. For I will give you words and wisdom, that none of your adversaries will be able to resist or contradict. You will be betrayed, even by parents, brothers and sisters, relatives and friends, and they will put some of you to death because of me. But not a hair of your head will perish. Stand firm, and you will win life."
Ka Jingjynjar ro ya me ku Chris.